По готовності один вогонь.
An unnamed senior Ukrainian official specializing in weapons procurement reportedly said Ukraine could build a nuclear bomb within weeks during a closed meeting a few months prior. "We have the material, we have the knowledge. If the order is given, we will only need a few weeks to have the first bomb," the official reportedly said at the time, according to German news outlet Bild. The publication did not state when exactly the closed meeting took place. According to Bild, the same official warned at the time that the West should think less about Russia's red lines and more about our red lines. The publication said Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's latest statement on Thursday regarding his country's solution to the war being either restoring its status as a nuclear state or becoming a NATO member echoed the official's alleged claim a few months prior. Speaking in Brussels to the European Council on Thursday, Zelensky said he told U.S. Republican presidential nominee Donald Trump that Ukraine's answer to Russia's invasion is either restoring its nuclear capability or joining NATO, and Ukraine is opting for the latter. It's unclear when the conversation between Zelensky and Trump took place. Andriy Melnik, Ukraine's former ambassador to Germany, also made similar statements in 2021 prior to Russia's full-scale invasion that Ukraine had to guarantee its defense by either joining NATO or restoring its nuclear arsenal. Zelensky also brought up the Budapest Memorandum in his Thursday speech, a 1990s security agreement that saw Kyiv relinquishing its nuclear arsenal following the dissolution of the USSR in return for security guarantees from the US, the UK, and Russia that were never released upon Moscow's invasion. Up until December 5, 1994, Ukraine was officially the third largest nuclear power in the world. However, it is to be noted that while Ukraine physically possessed the weapons and the expertise to develop and maintain them, although the lack of resources would have likely prevented it from doing so, Moscow retained control over these weapons. While a think tank reported that Ukraine possesses no uranium enrichment plant or fuel production facilities for nuclear power plants, where Ukrainian uranium concentrate was shipped to Russia for enrichment and fuel fabrication prior to the 2022 invasion, it's possible the country retained the knowledge base needed to restart its nuclear programs if it so wishes. And let's see the latest from Ukraine. Lighting operation surprised Russians in Kharkiv. A successful operation by Ukraine's GUR on the northern outskirts of Kharkiv has cleared 400 hectares of forest, according to the GUR. Units Arthur, Kraken, and the International Legion captured a battalion defense area, destroyed up to 3 motorized infantry battalions, a storm detachment, and a reconnaissance company of the 7th Separate Motorized Infantry Regiment of the 11th Army Corps.
По готовності один вогонь.
A fire broke out, reportedly at the Chkalovsky military airfield near Moscow, engulfing an administrative building. The fire has been classified as second degree in complexity and spans 800 square meters. More than 7,000 Ukrainian strikes have landed inside Russia this year. The farthest strike reached more than 1,700 kilometers into Russia from Ukraine's border. Long-range drone strikes have targeted military sites, such as ammunition depots, as well as national infrastructure like oil refineries. Unmanned Strike Aviation Systems Battalion Achilles of the 92nd Assault Brigade conducted a successful raid in the Belgorod region, inflicting the following losses: 4 BMP-2s and 1 MTLB destroyed, 1 BMP-2 and 1 T-72 tank damaged. Russians are complaining about the welding quality in the new body of the Bukhanka, produced by the UAZ company, noting that this vehicle costs 1.5 million rubles, over $15,000.
Как они его варят? Гоша варит тысяч. Мимо, тысяч. Гоша тут не совпадает. Варим, тысяч. Опять где-то краще. Тысяч, тут вообще не проварили. Тысяч, это не приварено. Тысяч, несовпадание 2 сантиметра. Срать, тысяч мимо кассы. Щель. И здесь сзади. Тысяч. Ни одна не приварена. Здесь опять тысяч. В сторону. И тут мимо кассы. Здесь натыкали контачкой, как попало в угол. А с этой стороны более-менее подогнали. Не 3 сантиметра, а 1,5. Ну щель тоже ничего не проварено. Тысяч, ни одну не приварил. Здесь такой тысяч, ни одну мимо, просто пах. Если вот это они варят контачкой, то вот эти присерки это электродом, вот шлак. Даже не полуавтомат, просто электрод.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.